How to post your business on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can post your business on Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, depends upon what you are really talking about over here, because posting your business doesn't really mean posting your business itself, but the products that your business actually sells. So if you have a clothing business, then you actually sell your clothes from Facebook Marketplace. That's how it works, right? So in order to post a product on Facebook Marketplace, it's as simple as ABCD. You just go ahead and then open Facebook and make sure that you just log in to your account from where you want to sell on the Facebook Marketplace. So if it is like a page or something, you can try to also use that page and sell from a page. If it's like a profile from your personal account, you can do that as well. Then tap the marketplace icon here. Now, just in case you don't find this marketplace icon, you can tap the three lines option here and look for see more option and go to marketplace over here, because what happens is that marketplace will only show up in the menu bar if you use it frequently. If you don't use it frequently, it will not show up there. Now, once you go to marketplace, here you'll find the sell option. Just tap on sell. Now, depending upon whether you want to sell an item, a vehicle, or a property for sell or rent, whatever else you prefer, just select those items here. And once done, simply add those products that you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace one after another. So you can tap the add photos option here, and once you've done that, select a product that you would like to sell in this case, and then just tap the next option. You can add multiple pictures for one product, and then tap on title, price, categories, condition, description, network provider, and so forth. Depending upon whether you want to offer delivery and you want to list as a single item or as a stock item, everything is possible right from Facebook Marketplace. So you can really leverage this to actually gain profits for your business. And now you can choose to actually hide this from your friends if you like, and once you've done all the process here, you can just post it. And if you are part of any of the group or community, you can also post it to those groups as well. And this way you can post your business on Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.